everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Put Your Makeup On, where I post videos like this every Monday and Thursday. Be sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. So, I'm very excited to be doing this video for you guys, and it is going to be my Colourpop Lippie Stix collection video. Yay! So, I specifically have a bunch of the Lippie Stix right here. I'm only going to be sharing with you the shades that you could still buy on ColourPopCosmetics.com. I literally had to weed through the shades that were not available. So again, I am only going to be sharing with you the shades that are specifically available that you guys can get your hands on. I of course don't want to talk about a product or a shade that you can't even find anymore. So yeah, this is my Colourpop Lippie Stix collection, and without further ado, this is how we do it on Put Your Makeup On, so just keep watching. I feel like Colourpop blew up overnight, so that is one of the main reasons why I wanted to film this video. If you guys are new to Colourpop and maybe a little unsure of what colors to purchase, these are the products, these are the shades that I have had, I love. So without going on and on, let's get into the first color. So I'm going to randomly grab them from my jar. I'm not going to go in any particular order. So the first shade we have here is called Tootsie, and this is a very pretty nude pinky with a little bit of a gray undertone. I have this color on right now and I love it. It looks beautiful on a lot of different skin tones. It just has that nice, like that rosy mauve muted gray tone. I love it. Tootsie again is the shade, and it just looks so pretty. I definitely feel also with all of these colors, the shade on the packaging is pretty almost identical to the shade of the actual product itself. So again, this is shade Tootsie. The next shade we have here is called LUMIÈRE in a matte formulation. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this might be part of the Kathleen Lights collection, and this color is just phenomenal. It is that quintessential everyday pink type of shade. It has that rosy mauve type of tone to it. I love it to the moon and back. This color is just so gorgeous. So that is the shade LUMIÈRE. I think that's how you pronounce it. Hopefully, I don't know if that will zoom in, but that is just shade LUMIÈRE. This was one of the first Colourpop Lippie Stix that I bought myself when Colourpop first got introduced to the market, and this is the shade I Heart This, and I love this color, especially in the spring and summer, because it is just so beautifully bright. It's just gorgeous. So this is the shade I Heart This, which is right here. It is that beautiful fuchsia pink, bright, vivid shade. I love it. This is also a matte formulation. It lasts all day long on my lips. Sometimes I'll pair it with a lip liner. Sometimes I'll throw a clear gloss over it. But it's so pretty. I think it's a very fitting name also for the type of color. So again, this is I Heart This. 99% sure this is still available. If not, please correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below. But this is the shade Camee, C-A-M-I, and this is a matte X formulation, which is this color right here. You guys can probably sense a theme of the colors that I like to wear. This is a much deeper, richer tone compared to the two here, but it does have that beautiful, earthy, rosy, mauve, nudie color to it. I mean, I'm going to name all the colors in the book so I can get it down right. But this is just a beautiful shade. I love it, especially with a nice like lighter smoky eye maybe, or even a darker eye. I love this color. This is definitely one of the few shades that I have that I feel like just works so well with every type of look that I do. I do love it and I wear it a lot. I have the shade called Contempo, which is a beautiful lighter pinky shade which is right here. Really love this color on lighter spring days. If I don't know what I want to wear, or if I'm going for more no makeup type of look, I'll wear Contempo. This is another matte formulation, which again is my favorite formulation that Colourpop does have, and it's just a nice light, you know, spring type of pink. Very easy to wear. I don't really have to think about it, if I'm being honest. Just throw it on and out the door. So that is shade Contempo. So I think this is my only glossy formula. This is the shade called Bound, which is this guy right here. It definitely does have more of a glossy finish, obviously not matte like the other one, so it will go on a little bit more creamy than the matte colors, matte formulas. But this shade is, again, just a nice light airy pinky shade. I like wearing this with just a simple type of eyeliner, shimmery shade all over the lid, a little bit of blush, and then pop this on the lips. And it's just, again, it's just a really nice shade. Very comfortable, not drying whatsoever. Again, this is a glossy finish. And again, this is the shade called Bound. I feel like I need to wear this color more often. I don't really have a lot of colors like this and other brands in my collection, and this is the shade called Brills. This is a satin finish which looks like this. Look how different and unique that color is. This is definitely considered a cooler tone pastel light purple with a little bit of pink, almost like a lavender, like a vivid lavender shade. Again, this is a shade Brills, which is a very interesting name. I like that name for this type of color. These types of colors, I feel, with my complexion, with my dark hair, my dark eyes, my lighter skin, I feel like I have to like be careful with how I wear it, otherwise I could look dead with it. But it's a very interesting, unique shade. I definitely am very happy that I have it in my collection. So again, that is the shade called Brills. I love that name. But I actually wear these types of colors a lot at work. This is the shade called Scandi, and this is a beautiful, beautiful hot pink shade, which is right here. I love this. This is a satin formulation, nice and comfortable, easy to pop on, glides on the lips really nicely, and this is just a beautiful, bright, hot pink color. I love this. I feel like this type of color, a lot of my coworkers are like, that's a Katie color. But I love this. If you guys are in need or are just looking for a bright, fun shade and don't want to spend a lot of money on a color like this, I would definitely recommend Scandi. This color speaks to me on so many different levels. I know you guys understand when I talk about Poison. This is a matte formulation. I mean, I can't look at it. It's just too beautiful. This is a just, I'm almost speechless when I'm looking at this color. It's a very richly pigmented red terracotta brown color. I'm trying to get up close for you guys so you guys could really see the true shade. I absolutely love it. It is one of those types of colors where I love wearing this all over the lips, a little bit of eyeliner and mascara, and I'm done. Very easy to wear, even though it is a very dark shade. I feel like it's very easy to wear, and I just think it's beautiful. I think the name also is very fitting. Poison, like that poison apple, like from Snow White. I love it. Love it. Definitely a beautiful shade. So again, that is Poison. Another Matte X formulation I have here, this is a shade called Poppin. I love that name. Really beautiful, unique color here. This is definitely, I feel, more of a blue tone, warm pink, kind of almost similar to this guy up here, but I really like this. This is a very unique shade. Again, this is another Matte X formula. Love this color a lot, again, in the spring and summer. Those types of colors you will see me rocking every day in the spring and summer. Love this color a lot. Again, this is a shade called Poppin, which is right here. Next shade we have is called Brink, and this is another matte color, and this is definitely more of a regular nude type of shade. Not a lot of pink happening like the top colors here, but this is a beautiful everyday type of nude. I feel like this type of tone would work for a wide variety of a lot of different skin tones, whether you're maybe a little lighter than me or a little darker than me. I feel like this type of nude is very, very pretty. Again, this is a shade called Brink. I would definitely pair this with a little bit of a lip liner and maybe throw a gloss over it, or maybe mix it in with the other shades. I love this color a lot. I don't really wear nudes too often, but these are the types of nudes that I do wear when I wear a nude. So again, that is the shade called Brink. I really love more brown types of nudes, and this is the shade called Grunge, and this is another matte formulation, which is right here. You can definitely see it's much more brown than the one above it, which was Brink. So this is a very, very pretty brownie mocha brown nude. I really, really love this color. I feel like more of these types of nudes are more flattering for my skin tone rather than like the light beige nudes, because there's all different types of nudes. But this type of color, I'm like trying to like move my skin so you could really see what's going on. Again, that is a shade called Grunge. Love this color a lot. Again, a nice easy type of shade to wear no matter what you're wearing, where you're going, what type of outfit color you have on, eye makeup. Just an easy type of shade to wear. So again, that is the shade called Grunge. Alright, my left arm is killing me. So the next color, we have two more and we are done with this video. This is the shade LBB, and this again was one of the first colors that I bought myself when Colourpop came to the market. Another matte formulation, LBB, and this is it right here. It is a beautifully rich tone, plummy color. I love this especially in the fall and winter. It is just so stunning in every way. But LBB, beautiful, beautiful shade. I feel like, again, this type of richly pigmented plummy shade would work for such a wide variety of different skin tones. I love it. Great formula. Nice and easy to slide on and glide on those lips. And it's just a really fun shade. I love it. Definitely would highly recommend LBB. I have here the shade Leather, which I love that name for a lip. And this is a really nice purple. Look at that. This is definitely more of a truer like a royal grapey purple rather than a plum type of burgundy purple. So definitely you guys could see the difference there. I love this color again. I definitely think this is a fun, different shade. Again, if you guys don't want to spend a lot of money on this type of shade, Colourpop is where it's at. I mean, you really can't go wrong with, you know, a $5.50 now these days on Colourpop.com. You really can't go wrong. So yeah, this is a really fun shade. I also feel like you could go in a lot lighter, where you can just kind of twist it up, dot it on, and almost give that stain-like effect to the lips. So yeah, Leather is a fantastic purple color. So the last and final shade that I have in my collection that you guys can get your hands on is called Alar. I think that's how you say it, and it's a matte formulation. Again, this is the last color that I have in my collection that you guys can get your hands on. And oh, hopefully you guys could see that, which is right there, this bottom one. And this, you guys, is a beautiful, rich burgundy wine red sangria type of shade. Love this color so much. I could definitely picture myself rocking that with a little black dress. I love this color a lot, definitely for this time of year especially. And I love it. It's just so pretty. I mean, like, look at that, you guys. Can you imagine if this was a tattoo? That would be so freaking cool. So you guys could definitely sense a theme of what colors I like to wear That is pretty much my Colourpop Lippie Stick collection. Oh my god, I'm very happy that I was able to film this for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what colors of the Colourpop Lippie Stix that you think that I should check out. What are your favorite shades? I would love to know. Leave me a comment down below. I love reading your guys' comments. So that is pretty much all I have for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and come back every Monday and Thursday for a brand new video. And I shall see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys. Bye!